Welcome to Impact AI Studio report mode. So with Impact AI Studio installed, you'll see we have our designer side over here. And to go into report mode, you just click the drop down and it'll bring us into report mode. Since we're in report mode, I'm going to make this a bit wider because we're designing reports inside of here. Let's look at how the report mode works. We can come down to the prompt and enter in what we want from this report. So I'm just going to type contacts who were created this year. Just type in your report request in natural language. It's really that simple. Give me all the contacts created this year. Hit the Enter key. And there's our report. These are just the default fields such as contact, city, state, and zip. But if we want to add another field, we can come right in here and type the field name. In this case, let's add Raymond. If you don't know the exact field name, or if the label is different from the database field, just click this plus sign. That opens a list of all the fields in your database. This pop-up shows every field, organized by field type. Here we can see the field Raymond. I'm going to add that field in and hit the Enter key. And as you can see, it added the field Raymond. So again, we'll ask for contacts created this year. Now let's try another one. This time I want the contact name, city, state, zip code, and Raymond. And there it goes. It created the report for us. And if you want to go further, you can also add a filter. Let's enter. Raymond is not empty. In other words, filter the report so Raymond is not blank. And there it is. In just a minute, we created a report that matches exactly what we asked for, all using natural language. This report can also be saved and run again later by using the Save button here. I'll click Save, and Impact AI Studio automatically gives the report a name. You can keep that name or change it to anything you want. For now, I'll just leave the default name and click Save. Once the report is saved, you don't have to come back into the designer to run it. So next week or next month, when you want to run that same report again, just go up to the menu. The saved report will be listed here. Select it, run the report, and there it is. It's okay. Thanks for watching. I hope this gives you a good look at how easy it is to create, save, and run reports using Impact AI Studio. Thank you for watching.